Hello everyone, this is Captain speaking and welcome back to the Room 3. I'm in the exact same day and I'm going to continue the game because we finished a chapter and I want to see what's going to happen. I feel like I'm just going to record all of the game right now, this very second. I'm going to be doing that. That is all I'm going to do today until Maddie comes over. But shut up! We're going to be recording some more Maddie's Bad At though. That's going to be awesome. Hopefully. Anyway. So we're back in this room, which makes sense because I knew for a fact that we weren't done with this room. But I'm pretty sure that... Oh, I need more than one. Oh, that would do it. That explains it. Because now it'll just be opening more portals and everything, right? Because that would make sense, right? Go to the center, it's bugging me. Thank you. Okay, I've got 2 of 5. That's pretty good. Are you gonna glorp up again? Oh, there's so much more glorp this time. Oh, that's a lot more glorp. Well, that was easy. Oh, no way! Oh, that's so cool. Look at how cool that is. I love these perspective puzzles that they do. Okay, I need to get myself in a position that... There. Now I can do this one peacefully. The room is always so good at perspective puzzles. Because look at that! It's gorgeous! It's gorgeous! Although this was the one that I was tentative about, if we remember correctly. Schnirk. Whoa. I am no longer tentative about this room. I remain tentative about this room. But I am no longer tentative about this room. This is gorgeous. Why do they all have these? Are they just generators? I feel like they are. Alright, to the fuses! That I'm not gonna mess up this time. Sure. What? What does that do? Huh? Wait, what? Yeah, positive and negative and all that jazz. But what? Huh. Ah, there we go. Yay! I did it completely completely on purpose. All of it. On purpose. I don't want to go to that guy. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way, away from that guy, because holy crap, that's spooky. This place is so big! Look at how big this place is! What's that? Oh, pretty. It reminds me of Notre Dame, which then makes me sad for multiple reasons. Because it burned down, and then the millionaires all put $2 billion into it overnight when they could have been spending it on other things. Anyway, did I hear a knock at the door? No, I did not. I may have heard a scratchy scratch at the door because my cat is a jerk, but that's something else. Great Khan! It has the impossible pyramid. You will not believe your eyes. Gaze in wonder at his pyramid of possibility, a veritable Pandora's box of delights. I have one of those, it's not that special. Am I supposed to close this or something? Because I can't. I'm assuming that that's not what I'm supposed to do. Ah! I'm supposed to just flip the switch. That's the entire reason I'm up here, isn't it? Snappo. What's that? Oh, it's a cathedral. I'm gonna go into a cathedral? Oh, frick, I powered up the guy. I didn't want to power up the guy. I hate the guy. Well, let's head back. Let's flip more switches. Woo, a gramophone. And whatever that thing is. Let's power up this bad boy. Slip, 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 slap. Yeah. Click. Generators! Oh, am I gonna do the laser thing again? Ugh, that was loud. Oh, there's a note! Okay. You have no idea how much editing time it takes to do all that dramatic stuff. It takes a long time to do that reverb on my voice and all the other stuff and everything. It is annoying. So I'm not going to do it.
Interesting. Here you stand, all corporeal and breathing and the rest. Existing is something you appear to have a tremendous knack for. A useful trait, and one that has been distressingly lacking in my previous apprentices. Perhaps my search really is at an end. This library is unique in all the world, though I would counsel against indulging your curiosity. As is common at Grey Home, there are things here that are not sympathetic towards inquisitive hands. Do not idle here. The craftsman.
Dude, you can't tell me what to do. I can't even tell me what to do. Did you see me just now? Oh, I was gonna do the annoying thing again. What if I just leave it here and completely destroy our eardrums? Sorry, I shut down for a second there. That was weird. Ah! Blow a hole in the wall. Summon the tentacle demons. Use the bad dust effects. Here we go into another dimension. Was that the talisman symbol? That was a talisman symbol. Did you guys see that on the door? No! My miniature fell off. Why? No! I need to paint that. Everything is going wrong. Is that my lantern? I want it back. Ah, another note where I'm not going to put any effects on. Another note that I'm not going to put any effects on. Here we go.
What do you know of time? This hammer was added by my great-grandfather, though his time ran out earlier than expected. Your path will appear when the last bell tolls from midnight. A trifle dramatic, I know, but our ancestors understood more than they realized. There truly are moments when the cycle of our world brings it closer to its neighbors.
You mean like other dimensions? Because I got something else that I'm going to be planning that's like been over a year in the making that has something to do with other dimensions, and you guys are going to love that. Ooh, a cutscene. Oh! Oh! I don't know why that was so funny to me. Okay, so I need a bunch of other things to get that other class button done, correct? Who is it? Button? Ah, circular socket. Something is missing from the circular socket. That sucks. What's that? No, what's that? That's actually something. Oh, I need more gears. Duh. Okay, that's important. Everything that's actually a color and isn't gray is important. That's how I know about these things. See? It's like when the animators of old TV shows would have, like... Sorry? Did your caw interrupt the middle of my story? That's what I thought. It was like when animators and things like Scooby-Doo would make really static backgrounds and then blindingly, obviously animated things for the characters to interact with. It was really funny back in the day. Who garsh back in the day? Is it here or is it in the door? Ah, it's in the door. I know! Let me go to the door. Ta-da! Oh, it's not in the door? Yeah, it's not connected. Oh, wait, am I supposed to... No, that definitely goes somewhere important. I can't go back. Did you guys hear that? I heard footsteps. Now I'm scared. I just recorded like a horror short last night, so I'm really like spooked at the moment. Okay. Ooh, what's that? There's something red in there. That's cool. I can't look at it apparently. That's against the law. Oh! I knew that was something! I just didn't look at it, you know? Small metal pillar. Okay, it goes on the box! There's probably a pillar missing. Yeah! That's what that's for. That would do it. Now slide it into place. It looks really wrong because it's not gold, but slide it into place. Okay, I thought it was too easy that those two things would just unlatch that and be like, oh, chapter over. Yeah, I thought that was too easy. Yeah, that was too easy. Aha, the red thing, though. I was right. Yeah, I know you can't open the bars. Get over it. No, look back. Hang on. This is really cool looking. What do I do? I can't move them. is really weird. Oh, I can move this, though. What does this do? This has got to be a game. This has to be a game, because this is very, very game-like. Alright, secret tomb it is. Oh boy. Whoa. Aha, this is where I use this thing. This is where I use this thing. It's not where I use this thing. Is there a way to turn this large gear? Perhaps with a smaller gear in a different place? No, that's too easy. Get back where I want you to go. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Fix your movement controls. If you have a puzzle game that is based entirely on you grabbing and twisting things. Oh, that's what that was. And then you need to have your twisting things be easy to twist. Because if they're not, oh boy, this is what's gonna happen. And nobody wants that. See? See? Because if I let go, it starts moving in a different direction. It looks like a socket. Fantastic. That's it. Can it just look nice? Alright, that's the best we're gonna freaking get, apparently. And that's also the best we're gonna get with this, which is really weird. Oh! There's another side to it. Hey, look! A handle. Well, that sure was obvious. And ominous. As the weird water, like, glass rim instrument seems to be implying. There we go. Oh, that's really pretty, though. I say that so much about this game. Oh, I got the handle back. Okay, so the movement sucks, but this game is gorgeous. I'm not saying I don't like the game when I say that when I bring up the, okay, the movement controls. I'm not saying that I don't like the game, because I love this game. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Because that means no. Red means no, everybody. Huh. Okay, but how do I move it? Oh, that's how! Okay, well then I just have to do this, and that's the way. There we go. I thought it was a button! My natural inclination is that things are buttons, okay? Don't judge me. This place is a lot more complicated than the other small places we've been into. And it's also a lot prettier. I love steampunk stuff, as you will see in my other... Okay, pinball? What? Okay. I have to get it to touch those things, don't I? 1. I'm causing time to move forward. That's how pendulums work. Oh boy. Okay, let's get the furthest one first, because the furthest one is gonna suck the most. Oh, I have to do them in a specific order, or else it won't work. That's cool. That's really cool, actually. Okay, and a second went by, and then another second went by, and then another second went by, and then time continued to work, because that's how seconds go. Were you aware of this? Did they teach you this in school? Well, if not, then here you go. I play a lot of these, like, swooshin' games, so I know a lot about the swoosh. Like the games where it's an extreme, you can only go all the way across and nowhere else. I played a lot of those. I don't know why I did that. But hey, I'm moving time across. Now how do I get that last... Oh, that's how. Duh. Ta-da! Into another tomb steampunk place we go. Losing my voice. Whoa, this is a complicated life here. Okay. So, my assumption is correct. Ugh, I hate that so much. Hey, okay. Calm down. You need to chill. God, I hate this so much. It's so awful. Go. Go, 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 go. Autobots, roll out. Jeez. Jeez. Why can't I... Are you serious? I hate this so much. You have no idea how much I hate this right now. You have no idea how much I hate this. Because that is not me doing that. That is just how the game works. And that shouldn't be how the game works. This again? I already know how to do this. You gave me an impossibility. Excuse me, hello? Yes, knock knock. You gave me an impossible thing to solve. No, nope. Hello, excuse me. That's not, I don't, button. That doesn't even do anything? Well, that's no fun. Are these just decoration? Okay, look at this. For these last three, I need 3 dots on the left. There is no place on this slide where it's 3 dots on the left. Everything else is fine, it's just that. And I want to know what's up with that, because that's dumb. Gosh, that's pretty. It's not pretty anymore, it's purty. Look at that. Look at that. There's no way. What? What do you want from me? That's just literally not possible. By the logic of the puzzles that you have given me thus far, I can't do that. Honestly, if anybody except the character in this game was playing this game, then all of these things would just be, you know, you just punch them and then they would just break, because they're so fragile, all of these puzzles. Oh! Oh! Well, screw you. That's what I say to that. I don't say good job, good puzzle, that was smart, you stumped me. I say screw you. Can I use this finally? No. Can I use this? No, do I take it? I just take it. Alright, well that's no fun. Now what do you want me to do? Is there more games? Are there more games to play? I like games, I'm a Let's Player. I play games. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the ticking clock, which is completely safe, by the way. And wait. Okay, I'm gonna go over here first. Is there something on the gear that's important? Yes! In fact, I need time to stop for just a split second. Okay, apparently I am just the best. That's not possible. I'm sorry. Excuse you, good sir. If they're both turning, that's not possible for you to just put it in there with your hands. Again, though, this game is just so logical that I am just flabbergasted by anything that would be possibly out of the ordinary. What? Hey guys, look, a portcullis. I know what that is now. There's another red crystal. What's up with that? Hey, that thing! Guys, look! Yeah! What does it do? It moves smoothly, which is rare. Oh, okay, I thought that was gonna tip and fall. It's just an upside down bell now. Clong! Clang, clong, dinner's ready! My eyes. My eyes, they got pieces of crystal in them. Why do I still have this lever, though? Ta-da! Oh. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, I have to move it. What? Whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Are you guys seeing this? That's awesome. Oh my gosh, that's the best thing I've ever seen. I love this game so much. What's that? I mean, I know what it is, but why do I need it? Alright, let's go back downstairs. I'm sure there's probably a clock somewhere that I can, like, stick that face into. Whoosh! Alright, clock. Clock, clock, clock. Is there a clock on here? Yes, there is! Duh! That's what it's in that missing place. Not the mini place, the missing place. Ta-da! Oh! And that's the time that I set the clock to in the... That's where the... Okay, shut up about this chest thing. In that other room that I was in, there were some... When I put on the lens, there were some horizontal and vertical lines on the... Whoops. Wait. Oh, I'm the white piece. Ah. I need to kill everyone. There we go. I did it, guys. I killed everybody. I am a murderer. These are just getting small. I couldn't even fit my finger in that, I don't think. Whoa. It's kind of giving me a Ghoul-Wold vibe. If you guys have ever seen Stargate SG-1, I'm getting a real Ghoul-Wold vibe from this thing. Will you stop it? Just do the thing that you're designed to do. Thanks. I don't actually know what you're designed to do, I just know that it's not that! Okay, I did one thing with it. Oh. Oh, I understand. Whoa. Aw. Ah. Nope, there it was. There it is. There it is. Stop. And lastly, there we go. You know, I was editing the last one and I realized how little I actually talk through the puzzles, and I'm sorry about that because I'm focusing. But they're neat! I like the puzzles! You know, I tried to move that guy. He didn't want to go. And now he will. Now what? Oh. Well, that was obvious, wasn't it? Ah, stick the thing in the thing! One last time! Yeah! Wow, that was... Oh, jeez. Okay. That one's correct. Wait, there's only 4 options. This is less complicated than the last one. Huh. Oh, that wasn't right. Huh. Alright. Huh. That's so much easier than the last one. Why didn't you use this one for the last one? Why wouldn't it just get incrementally harder? That's what most puzzles do. What? Oh, that's for the door. Yeah, the door that I couldn't open. That one? I wonder what's in that. Because it's a big mystery. Oh, I've been going a while. I need you to stop the cutscene because my camera's gonna shut itself off. Okay, I gotta go. This is... No, screw it. I'm just gonna turn it off and turn it back on. We are, in fact, recording. Here we go again. I got a Knigget. No, I got a ballerina. I thought it was a knight. It's not a knight, it's a ballerina. Okay, I'm gonna open the door now. That was a really boring ballerina. It was really slow, just like... Okay, bye. Alright, what's in this door? Do I have to move it? Ugh. You know how much I love moving things in this game. Okay, thank goodness it's just a handle. Well... Don't want to go down there. I'm going anyway. Oh. This is much less menacing than I was expecting. Ooh, chess! That's not chess. You lied to me. Wait. Oh, something's missing from the pan. Is it a ballerina? Because that's all I have. What else is in here? That! Choking, dying. Don't mind me. I thought it was going to open at the top. It was! Ah, ballerina time. Take this. Yep, winding key, I know. Put the other ballerina where the other ballerina begins. Put the frickin' ballerina there. Put it! You serious? Oh, I need another ballerina. Another other ballerina. Okay, is that a button? Whoa. It was a button, but I think I screwed something up. Where do I put the other ballerina? And also, where do I wind this up? Nowhere, apparently. Ah, slidey slider. Whoa. Ah, another one of these. Click. Click on the... Click. Oh. Click. Oh, that's cool. I like that. That's neat. That was good, unique design right there. Okay, turn the knob. The opposite way you're supposed to, as you always do. It's not going. It's not making noise. That's not what that says. Oh, it's making the game sounds. I don't know what I'm doing here. No. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, I got it to the middle. And then that'll flip over, right? And yes, now I have to do it again. It's much faster, apparently. Yeah, that's weird. Ah, there we go. Okay, cool. Yes, that is correct. Is that correct? I don't know what I'm doing. I thought I should just state that, because again, I'm not talking. For some freaking reason. No one knows why I stopped talking. Dang it, I shouldn't have done that! It was gonna go in just fine, and now it's not gonna go in just fine, and now I have to wait. I know how to do it, game! Shut up! There we go. Going around, do the swirly gig bits. Here we go. Again, and it'll go up that way now, and not go down that way, and go down this way, and now we've done the thing. Jeez, that took longer than it should have. But ballerinas, right? I really want that as a music box. That or memory. I think you got something on your back there. You might want to have that checked out. This song and Memory from Undertale are two things that I would adore to have on a music box. Or Davy Jones' theme from Pirates of the Caribbean. Click. Okay. Alright, cool. Filling in the pattern. I did it. Click. That's one done. Cool. Whoa. Hey, it's another thing. Am I gonna get more antlers? Oh. Oh, wait, I know what to do about this. Oh, I need more pieces, don't I? Yes, of course I do. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do this first, thanks. This was correct, right? That's what it was, right? Yeah. Ah! Perfect. I have to make a shadow thing. Gotta make a shadow demon. Love me a good shadow demon. Oh, it's a chicken. I'm such a child. Oh, it's a face, right? Well, none of those look right. It's another chicken! What am I doing? Am I doing something wrong? Hang on while I figure this out. Ah, that's what I'm making. It's a lovely, beautiful bird. Perfect! Right? It's not perfect? Perfect! Yeah! Bird! Perfect! Lovely bird! Made bird with pieces of bird. I thought I was making a scary face. Ooh, made bird with pieces of bird and got bird key! Bird. Why did I get a bird key? What would I need a bird key for? Heh. Oh, hello. Guess I'm gonna need to open that one day. That's a problem for another day. Where do I stick this bird key? Need key. Need bird key. Bird key! Need save bird with bird key that got from building bird from bird. Must save live bird from putting together pieces of dead bird to make other shadow bird to free actual bird by getting bird key to unlock bird cage. Bird! Oh. That's where this is. Bird will save me. I have saved bird by using bird, and this will be bird. Hang on, wait a second. Bird! High quality bird, that is. Shedding feathers like crazy. Clong, clong, clang, clong, ding dong, bing bong. Bells are cool. Shatter. Explosion! Yep. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I have to get there. It was much nicer when you actually just brought me places. I'm gonna choke on my own breath? It's really probably not a good idea that I've planned the entire day to do some like recording and talking. I mean, it's a great idea. That's why I'm choking and dying. Is it gonna be awesome again? Yes. Oh, heck yes, my dude. It's so cool. Oh, it's so cool. That's such a good use of the fact that it's a game. Because if it wasn't a game, you couldn't do stuff like that. But since it is, you can. Because it's a game and therefore weird. Oh, wait, I don't think that was right. Aha! Oh, even the painting actually moved? That's so cool. Oh. Oh. That would do it. Okay, I'll go do that. Ugh, my chin is scratchy. I mean, I'm scratching my chin. Why do we say that our things are scratchy when we're actually the ones scratching them and they're actually itchy? Philosophical times with the captain. The dying captain, if I might add. Which I can, because I say what I can add. Because I'm the captain. And you have to do what I say. Or I'll kill you. Anyway, wind up the box. Wind up the box. Oh, now we turn it in the right direction. Oh, now we turn it in the right direction. Oh, okay. Alright, everyone listen to the keys here. Now we turn it in the right direction. And it's exactly midnight. That means we're gonna die. Is that what that note said? Or are we gonna be free? I don't really listen to what it says. Did I black out? Oh, that's gonna be loud. Ow. I'm amazed this place still works. This place is really old. Cool. Do I get it? Really? That easy? That's it? That's all it takes? Oh, jeez. Would you stop freaking me out like that? Are you serious? That was like 40 minutes. Why was that so much easier? Impressive! You have bested the ruthless mechanisms of the clock tower with humanity intact. With tolling bells, the tolling bells mark progress, but not without hardship. No. Actually, yeah, completely without hardship. That was surprisingly, ridiculously easy. How dare you? Well, that's the end of this episode, because that was like 40 minutes, like I said, and I'm not going to cut out any of it because I'm a genius and I didn't get stuck at all. But anyway, thank you everybody so much for watching this weird, strange, like, slow video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Until then, farewell.